Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
After careful appraisal and interaction with the Honorable Minister of Water Resources, we have come to the realization that our grievances can be addressed through constructive dialogue and in collaboration with the government. We recognize that the right to protest is an inherent and fundamental aspect of citizenship, and we firmly believe that such expressions should always be characterized by peace and tranquility. However, it is essential to prioritize constructive engagements and dialogue to avoid the catastrophic consequences of violence and destruction, which can have far-reaching and devastating effects on individuals, communities, societies, and even the nation as a whole. We also extend our own reserved and heartfelt commendation to President Tinubu for his indefatigable efforts in constructing the nation of our collective aspirations. Notwithstanding the formidable challenges that we are facing in this country, he has remained steadfast in his endeavors, tirelessly striving to alleviate the burdens of our citizens and enhance their overall well-being. We acknowledge and appreciate the President's diligent efforts to improve the lives of citizens, and we must unite in our support and collaboration with him to achieve our shared objectives.